Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bagel, egg, and cheese sandwich. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including your favorite bagels, eggs, and a slice of cheese. Next, prepare your cooking area, ensuring you have a pan ready for the eggs and a toaster for the bagel. Begin by toasting your bagel to your preferred level of crispness, aiming for a nice golden brown. This quick prep sets the stage for a perfect breakfast. Now let's focus on the egg. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a small amount of butter or oil. Crack your egg directly into the pan. You can cook it over easy, sunny side up or scramble it thoroughly. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For scrambled eggs, a splash of milk can make them extra fluffy. Cook until just set, but still moist. With your egg cooked and bagel toasted, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. Carefully place the warm, cooked egg onto one half of your toasted bagel. Immediately follow by placing a slice of your favorite cheese directly on top of the hot egg. The residual heat from the egg will gently melt the cheese, creating a gooey, irresistible layer. This step brings all the components together for a satisfying bite. Finally, complete your bagel, egg, and cheese sandwich by placing the second half of the toasted bagel on top. Serve it immediately to enjoy the warm, melted cheese and perfectly cooked egg. This quick and easy breakfast is perfect for busy mornings. And speaking of easy, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing voice-controlled, self-emptying, pet-friendly robot, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.